Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Nathan Hager, joined by Bloomberg's Valerie Teitel, and another morning for big bank earnings and a big move this morning for Bank of America. Good morning, Valerie.
Okay, good morning, Nathan. Yes, Bank of America shares up just shy of 4% after their earnings release. It was really rosy across the board. But remember, yesterday we had some pretty impressive beats and some share prices didn't do so well. So let's keep a track of Bank of America out of the gates pretty strong, up 4%. They had a beat on net interest income, came in at $15.25 billion versus estimates of around $15 billion. They also had some pretty strong beats when it came to trading revenue. The headline number was at $5.35 billion. The estimates were for $5 billion, so a beat there. Deal-making revenue also strong. The CEO, Brian Moynihan, noting that every line of business reported top and bottom line improvements. They also improved on a key efficiency ratio, which compares revenue versus expenses. That also improved in the quarter, and the provisions for credit losses were less than expected. This has been a key focus of late after the recent bankruptcies of Tricolor and First Brands. Now, Bank of America, the shares already gained 2.5% yesterday on the back of other bank earnings, and they're rising yet again this morning, up 4.1% now as I speak.
And we'll see if that continues as we wait Morgan Stanley's results later on this morning. In the meantime, we've got more news on the AI trade as well.
Yes, we do. We have news that Nvidia has found another buyer for its chips. The share is outperforming the Mag 7 this morning, up 2.5%. It's not that it has a lack of buyers for its chips, but this latest one is coming from Nscale, the UK data center startup that signed an expanded agreement with Microsoft. And off the back of that expanded agreement, they want to contract 200,000 more of Nvidia's GPUs. Separately, Nvidia was upgraded by HSBC with a price target of $320 a share, implying around an 80% increase from the last price. So Nvidia buoyed by these two news stories, up 2.5%.
And apart from the bank earnings, we also got results this morning from Dollar Tree. How's that stock doing? Dollar
Tree, the discount retailer, shares are up 4.5%. Now, this is despite sales slowing in the third quarter. They rose by 3.8%, which is a notch down from the previous quarter of 6.5%. But the company did stick with its previous guidance for the quarter and the full year and gave quite a rosy 3-year outlook. Now, these discount stores are weighing the positives of higher foot traffic from high-income consumers trading down versus the Trump tariffs, especially those on China, which Dollar Tree is especially exposed to. But it seems like investors do like this outlook, and the shares of Dollar Tree up 4.5%.
And just quickly, investors continue to like Papa John's.
A lot of speculation around Papa John's. Shares are up 12%, rising yet again on the back of takeover speculation. Reuters matching previous reporting of a bid by Apollo to take the pizza maker private at $64 a share. So we are trading at $54 a share. So there's some speculation still that this deal might not close. But again, speculation has been rife, and the stock has risen 17% in the last 2 days.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.